Hello. Now, next question. NCERT question number 15. Please read the question.
Two lamps, one rated 100 watt at 220 volt.
In your question, it is given we have a two lamps rated
100 watt
100 watt
at 220 volt.
220 volt.
And another at 60 watt.
Another lamp at
60 watt.
60 watt
220 volt.
220 volt.
Are connected in parallel to electric main supply.
They are connected in parallel to the electric main supply. Of
What current is drawn from the line if the supply voltage is 220 volt?
supply voltage is 220 volt. Our aim is to calculate
Current.
current of the line current है. We need to calculate line current. So to calculate line current or circuit current, we have to calculate the net resistance of the circuit. So here this is the case, just like you can assume like that. If these are the two resistors, they are connected in parallel with a DC source of 220 volt. So you calculate resistance 1, then resistance 2, calculate the current. That current we can calculate. Then calculate effective resistance. Then by Ohm's law we can calculate the value of the current. So first we have to calculate resistor of the bulb 1, then resistor of the bulb 2. Say this resistance I say is R1, and I assume this resistance say R2. But both are connected in parallel. So again, when the resistors are connected in parallel, the voltage is same. So we will use the formula E is equal to V square by R in place of I square R. When current same, the resistors are connected in series, then we will use this equation. And in our situation, P is equal to V square by R. So if R1 is the resistance of the bulb 1, then by the formula P is equal to V square by R, the R1 is V square upon
T.
T1. Power of 1. Supply voltage is constant, it is P1. And V is 220. Calculate करिए, बताइए आंसर. 220 upon power 1 is 100 watt. 0 to 0 cancel. 22 into 22 कितना होगा? 22 square 484. 484. Similarly calculate the another resistance. Calculate कर रहे हो? बताओ मुझे. Resistance of the second bulb R2. R2 is equal to V square upon T2. 220 into 220 upon power of another bulb is 60 watt. 0 to 0 cancel. ये आपका हो गया. कैलकुलेट आंसर बताइए कितना आया. Yes, 806 point. Yes, correct. 806.806.3. What is the unit? Ohm. This is the resistance of the second bulb. Now we calculate the effective resistance of the circuit. So it is a parallel combination. When two resistors are connected in parallel, then their effective resistance is numerically equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Use that relation, calculate RP. Effective resistance of the combination say RP, it is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R. What is the value of R1? 484 ohm into R2 is 806.3 upon 484 plus 806.3. Please calculate it and tell me the answer. Simplified it. When you calculate it, you will get 302.6 ohm. Verify it. So R2 is comes out 302.6 ohm. अभी तो रेजिस्टेंस निकला भाई. Our aim is to calculate current of the circuit. Read the question again. देखिए, what current is drawn from line if the supply voltage is 220 volt. So now apply Ohm's law and calculate the value of the current. देखिए, by Ohm's law, the current is drawn from the line is given by. The current drawn from the line is given by. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. And R is here, effective resistance we assume it RP, so V upon RP. So I is equal to V upon RP. And V supply voltage कितना है? 220 volt. Now here we use the supply voltage. So it is 220 volt upon resistance is 302.6 and calculate it. Decimal remove कर दोगे, 0 is here and divide this. So after calculation we get 0.73 ampere. 0.73 ampere. Thank you.